Sorry guys, I accidentally ended the video when I was recording. We're on top of the Hoover Tower.
Yep.
And look at the view. We're 250 feet above the ground. Look at that.
You were scared of her.
Of what?
Yeah. You were scared about being on this live stream.
This is a YouTube video now, it's not live stream. Yeah, this is another view of it.
Yeah.
It's hard to do because my camera can't flip
Dude,
around.
stop. Please stop. It's not live.
The camera can't.
No, it kind of is live.
I mean, it's gonna
be live.
It's recording.
No, just like a video, man.
Yeah, but please stop.
Why would you even have a computer to take?
Because I don't have a phone. Yeah, this is another part of it. This is the.
Also, there's a lock right here.
Oh no, there's a lock.
There's a lock.
I'm scared
right
of
here.
heights and.
I'm gonna lock it.
It's scary. Okay, now I feel like I'm gonna fall off. Okay, yeah. So this is the view, 250 feet above the ground.
Yep.
It doesn't look like it.
You can see. You can see.
Yeah,
those,
you can see the fog and
You
the
can see
other
those
buildings.
those buildings under construction
Yeah.
currently right now. Those buildings. I think they're gonna be doors.
All of the stuff over there, it's mostly Stanford in the distance.
Why would you unlock?
I know, it's scary.
Yeah.
accidentally opened it. You got falling.
No, we should have. And it's like, oh, now we should.
Pretty big.
Hey, I can
building
actually
over
sneak through here.
there. No, don't.
You can just close your computer and watch. Come.
What? What?
You can just close it and it's like, what?
No.
Ooh, my ticket's gonna fall.
I thought you were actually gonna. My computer feels like it's gonna fall out of my hand.
Look.
Ah! Oh! I feel like the laptop's gonna fall out of my hands, guys.
So, sir, we cannot do live streaming, okay?
We're not live.
We're just taking pictures? Yeah. Wonderful.